Oh, she's going for a jump serve. Domasig. Tudlasan. And there you go. Arellano's leading scorer gets on the board like a Tudlasan.
I remember kay last game ni EAC,
Yeah.
si Alimen, sobrang daming service aces sa last set. But then again, wala rin kasi silang connection ng medal spikers niya.
So now it's going to be Ashley Magnayi, the two players that we noticed. And look at this, back set, puntos agad para sa EAC.
Another good set for the EAC at maganda yung pasok dito ni Magnayi. Nakuha niya yung middle blocker ng Arellano kaya madaling nakapuntos for EAC.
Now, we were just told that EAC has committed 10 errors here in the first set alone.
And some of it for sure yung service errors nila.
Tudlasan. Nako, pag nakabuelo si Laika, mahirap talaga pigilan yan.
Very powerful attack. We can see here na umiibabaw talaga siya and really challenging the blockers.
Maui magaling. Now at the service line para sa Arellano. Sharp serve, but a good pass by Alex.
Ooh, it was a good block pero hindi nakikita dito ni Magnayi na nagko-commit na ang middle blocker ng Arellano.
Solid timing by Mangubat on that block.
Good attack by Alimen. And medyo nag-adjust na siya ng konti sa target niya. Hindi na super cross-court. Siguro napansin niya rin na kanina pa ako nag-error dito. Kailangan sa ibang angle naman.
Serving for EAC is Alimen.
At ganun dapat yung may variation.
Yes.
Alimen. There she is with those powerful jump serves. A joust at the top picked up by Catherine De Guzman. Alimen. Good pass. Razonable.
Razonable finding that donut hole. Kasi alam naman natin na ready na yung kanilang yung libero ng Arellano dito sa cross-court attack. So, variate muna natin ng konti. Sabi ni Razonable.
Alimen.
Look at the concentration. Oh, Jing Alimen.
Sabi sa'yo, marami siyang service errors. Ay, sorry, service aces.
Grabe yun.
Mahirap din mag-jump serve, ha?
Pwede muna sa court natin bago tayo mag-adjust. Pag-contact pa lang.
Alimen changing her target. Oh! De Guzman trying for a drop. Wow. Nakakarami yung EAC sa mga donut hole.
Yes! Actually, it was a good play for Arellano. Double quick, pero nautakan sila dito. Ni Dayanan.
And that match went 5 sets. So good decision on her part.
Yeah, actually kung ako rin yun.
Kasi all throughout, since she's been a rookie, talagang jump serve eh. Oh, what a pickup by Razonable. Alimen. Domasig. Running attack.
Ooh!
Domasig to Laika. Domasig to Faye. Back row. Domasig babalik kay Laika on the drop. Wow, what a dive. Running attack na naman, Mangubat.
Good defense for both of the teams. And especially yung mga drop balls na ginagawa ng Arellano. Basang-basa ni Razonable. Naka-adjust agad sila. But then again, yung running attack.
Arellano though, just 2 points away from taking this first set.
Wow! That was a good set for Domasig. Na great attack.
Tingnan mo yung katawan ni Moming dito. Yung body niya nakatakilid na sa
Arellano still at set point.
Razonable. Domasig. Oh, wow. What a set.
See? Napawaw ka din, di ba? Ang bilis. Saktong-sakto sa kamay. Tira-tira. Especially the middle blockers.
Magnayi. Back set to Dayanan. And Dayanan gets a point.
Mabilis naman nakabawi ang EAC dito. Great down the line attack from Dayanan.
And prior to that hit, Dayanan was really talking to Ashley Magnayi. So,
Yes, I think nag-remind siya na pwede mo ako dito bigyan.
tira-tira. Oh, wow.
Good
Naibalik pa
saves.
ni Razonable yon. This time, Domasi goes to De Guzman, but Dayanan was there.
You saw her one big step sa down the line. Parang medyo linaya niya dito na akala niya wala ako sa down the line pero na-push niya.
Ganda. Nice lateral hop to go up for the block. Great anticipation. Magnayi, hinabol ang bola. Pabalik sa Arellano side. Domasig. Alimen. De Guzman, cross court. Alimen.
Oh. I think favorite ni Alimen talaga yung cross-court attack. No? Pero nandun na rin ang Arellano pero hindi niya masyadong in-expect na siya pala yung kukuha no? Defense na yun.
Alimen has got that ability. Oh, wow.
I love her energy. She's trying to expect her teammates na mag-celebrate din with her. Let's go! I
Magalona.
got an ace.
So, libero captains are now a thing here in the Philippines.
Before, no, hindi. Pero I think deserved naman talaga nila.
Chance ball. Magnayi. Oh, what a pickup by Domasig. Now, Moming has to set. And how about that? Moming pa din yun with a set.
Even though nagbigay ang Arellano ng chance ball kanina, they were able to get a point.
Still serving for Arellano is Tira.
Back row. Tudlasan breaks down the wall.
It was actually a high check ball. But I think medyo, alam mo yung turn na nakapako yung paa? Medyo mataas pa yun to get it eh. Sayang.
Pero mahirap talaga pigilan si Laika pag nakabuelo. That's her favorite. When she gets a couple of steps in before rising up.
Another good set from Domasig. And again, yung connection talaga nila ng middle spikers. Very efficient.
6:35. Still serving for Arellano is Tira.
Sakto sa linya. Arellano takes the lead. Sam tira-tira. Razonable. Tudlasan on the drop again.
Good dip by Tudlasan. Actually, kanina pa rin talaga nagkaka-problem ang EAC dito. And we take advantage ni Tudlasan ng Arellano Lady Chiefs. Yung hole, yung donut hole. Pati yung pressure mo pa sa sarili mo. Oh, that was a good play.
Laika. Check out.
And Tudlasan getting a point from the second attempt. gusto ko talaga yung distribution dito ni Domasic. Bibigay niya sa middle, bibigay niya sa outside, bibigay niya sa back row. Alam mo yung kahit ako yung blocker, middle blocker doon, may hilo ko eh.
Another ace from Laika Tudlasan.
Sabi nga ni Coach Rod ng EAC na
Who will allude to a check ball
same,
that
ganun din ako.
happened.
Bakit ka tumatawa?
So honest ka pala, Mi. Honest ka rin pala,
Of
Mika.
course.
Padilyon.
Wow. Oh, it's a check ball. Powerful attack by Padillon. Great set as well. And hinanap rin talaga ni Padillon yung kamay ng mga blockers.
At malinaw sa replay na yun. Talagang tumama sa daliri. Oh, mabigat. De Guzman. Razonable. Dayanan. Domasig. Oh! Another donut hole.
De Guzman finding that donut hole. Very effective talaga since kanina pa nakakapatay yung Arellano dito. And magandang play din yun actually.
Jen Omapas playing in her final year.
Who knows, baka siya rin yung maging magic bunot.
Villena and Omapas, two graduating players. Dayanan. Domasig. Tudlasan. Ang hirap nun.
I know. Nakita mo yung ikot ni
Yeah.
Domasic doon. And perfect set pa. At hindi rin masyadong na close yung down the line.
Domasig. Padillon. Razonable. And Razonable gets the point.
Razonable targeting that zone 1. Again, kanina pa nagkaka-problem yung Arellano for that. And I think it's Razonable's second point para dito sa back row attack.
Ano plano nyo?
4-point lead now for AU.
Gusto ko na Anton yung energy ng EAC this time. This set specifically. Pero medyo too late na ngayon sila nag-enjoy talaga. But let's see.
Yeah, actually, itong set na to, kaya pa eh.
Kaya ba talaga?
Down by 3, Arellano still needs 6
Ooh!
points. Hey, that's in. That is in.
2 more points.
Ta-timeout ba si Coach Obet kung makapuntos ulit ang EAC? Oh,
Mukhang magta-time out, Anton.
eto, nag-iisip si Coach.
Ayaw pa. Isa pa. Isang side out pa.
Tulis ng serve na yun. Grabe. So, 4 setters on the floor. All in all. Oh! Alex Razonable rising up.
Razonable contributing at the back row. This time, in the front row naman. Kanina kasi, Anton, mga cross-court attacks ginagawa niya. Ngayon, puro down the line naman.
Alex Razonable, add to cart, check out. Puntos para sa EAC. Domasig. Tudlasan.
Tudlasan getting that point with the help of the blockers. Kung ginawa rin ni Razonable, gagawin din niya ni Tudlasan. Parang tinap nga lang niya yung bola eh. Like hindi niya intention na ilagay sa loob ng court. Parang pinatama lang talaga niya sa hands ng blockers.
Alex. Adante picks it up. Padillon. Buhay pa to. Razonable. Adante again. Moming. Oh, Villena has to set. Razonable.
Ooh, that's inside.
Oh,
May
yeah.
check.
Yes. Razonable avoiding the libero of Aureliano here.
substitution for
Targeting
EC,
zone
Verdu
6.
Mapas for number
Grabe,
4.
busy-busy
Now
yung coaching
serving.
staff ngayon.
Ashley
O
Matyag.
Mapas ba? Labas na ang galing. Dito. Late in set number 3. Razonable. Oh, what a pass.
I know!
What a pass by Ceballos. Parang nagbalay sa ere itong si Ceballos. What a pass.
Great target as well for Padillon. Mahirap talaga kunin yung mga high. Ngayon, may mga option na padaanin sa gap, padaanin sa kamay ng mga blockers. I mean, ang laki na rin talaga ng improvement. And just like that, with Razonable's attack, alam niya na walang blocker, hindi niya papaluin ng baon. Pero ilalagay niya lang ng cut shot na alam niya walang tao dun sa gitna.
Serving now for
Nakarami rin. First ball muna. Ayan, Domasig to Moming. Oh no! Not the best hit, pero may panibagong pagkakataon. Cross court, Garcia was there. Another chance. Domasig on the drop. What a save. Tense moments. Tira-tira was there. Razonable. Back row again. Tira-tira!
What an attack by Tira-Tira. Closing the set. And Domasig taking advantage of Tira-Tira's strength. Alam natin na kayang-kaya niyang makapuntos agad dito.